Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Forex, never red ever blue. In today's video we're going to be looking at the two major analysis using the financial markets. So first, let's get into this analysis. I'm pretty sure that you have all heard of the word analysis, but that is how I did my analysis on this particular pair, on this particular stock or crypto etc, but you don't actually know the meaning of that word. So I'm just going to give you a quick rundown or a layman's understanding of the word analysis. Analysis is simply the method that is employed to be able to know what the market will or may do next, hence giving the edge or the opportunity to buy and sell at the right and exact moment. And there are basically two major types of analysis using the financial markets, which are the technical analysis and the fundamental analysis. In today's video, I'm just going to be giving a quick synopsis, a quick snippet of each of this analysis. In the next YouTube video to come, then we're going to then be diving fully into these different kinds of analysis and how to use them properly in the market. So firstly guys, what is technical analysis? Technical analysis is simply the method of using past or historic price actions or behaviors to be able to determine futuristic behaviors or patterns of the market. That is to use past information of the market to be able to determine future information of the market. Because in the market, it's a general fact that what happened on your left hand side will likely happen again on your right hand side. And in the charts, your left hand side simply represents the past information, while the right hand side represents the future information. Hence, you use certain tools to be able to know what has happened in the past and will likely happen again in the future. And it is the combination of these tools that forms or make up the technical analysis. Now guys, examples of these tools that we use include the support and resistance, that is your S&R, we have the trend lines, the Fibonacci, the indicators, the highs and lows, the psychological levels, etc. guys, there are so many. So that's basically the tools that we use, and the platform that provides you the opportunity to be able to use this technical analysis or to be able to do the technical analysis yourself is the trading view platform, and you can use it either in your smartphone or your PC. But when using your personal computer, then you use the website, but when using your phone, then you are required to use the app. Now guys, before moving on to the next analysis, which is fundamental analysis, why don't you just go ahead and quickly like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now guys, we're moving on to the next analysis, which is fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis simply involves the acts or the method of using the political, the economic and social factors of a country to be able to predict the direction or trend of the markets. These factors can affect the currencies either positively or negatively. Fundamental analysis simply involves trading solely based on news of the countries that are affiliated with the currency pair that is being traded. Example guys is that if the economy of USA, which is United States of America, is currently weak, what it simply means guys that the currency that is being used in America, which is the USD, which is the US dollar, is going to be currently weak. Hence all currency pairs that have US dollars in them are going to be weak. And what I tell you guys, in effect, that in effect you are only interested in the strong currencies, while you are not interested in weak currencies. Hence when US dollars is weak, the pairs that has US dollars in them as their base currency is currently going to be selling. Why guys? Such example of such pairs include USD, JPY. Why guys? Because the USD is going to currently be selling. Why guys? Because nobody wants to have the weak currency which is USD, hence they're selling out the USD for them to be able to receive the stronger currency which is JPY. If it's the cost currency such as GPUSD, then it's going to be buying. Why guys? Because nobody wants to have the weak currency, hence they'll be buying GPP, that is they'll be buying Great British pound, which is the strong currency. That is how this major news affects the currency changes or the fluctuation of these currency pairs. That is why through this news you are able to know when to buy and sell at the right moment. So guys, unlike the technical analysis where we use charts and certain tools to be able to know when to buy and sell, in the fundamental analysis we solely mainly listen to news of the country that affiliated with the currency pair that is being traded to be able to know when to buy and sell at the right moment guys. And now in order for you to be able to know when these major news are coming out, causing the fundamental analysis, that there are basically three types of news, where we have the high impact news, the low impact news, and the medium impact news, guys. And in financial markets, we are only interested in the high impact news. Hence, in order for you to know when it's high impact news or to keep up to date with the high impact news, you can simply go to the website www.forexmarket.com, and it simply gives you major news of different nations, of different currencies of the world every day, guys. So that's basically about technique for fundamental analysis. Now, guys, over 95% of traders around the world are all technical analysts. Why? The reason being that not always does this major news occurs. Hence, making technical to be the best and most reliable method of analyzing the market, to be able to give you the opportunity to be able to make money literally every day from the market. But as a trader, it is always advisable for you to master these two analyses, which is the fundamental and the technical, as they both work hand in hand together now, guys. So I've come to the end of this YouTube video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next YouTube video to come. God bless you.